Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to take this product made by Comfy Temp and take a good look at it. What this actually is it's a ice pack for your ankles. But it's not just a ice pack, it's two of them you're going to get in the box. And it also works with heat. You can throw this thing in the microwave and warm it up just as easily as you would put it in an ice box to get it frozen. So let's open up the box and let's see what's inside of this thing. So when you open it up, now I have already taken one of these out of the plastic so I could check it out. That's it right there. And you're going to get two of them. This is the way they'll come, wrapped just like that. And that's it, guys. Nothing else in the box. Pretty simple. Now how this is going to go, we're going to pretend like this is my foot and this is my leg. This way I can show you a little better than trying to aim a camera down at the floor and put it over my feet. So you're going to open this up. You have Velcro on the side, two sides here. I have an ice pack here and an ice pack here. This is going to get placed on your foot the same way the print is here. Now, before I show you that, let me go ahead and point out a couple of things. The furry part, the really soft part, is the part that faces up because your Velcro needs that to stick to. The Velcro on this is a very good quality Velcro. A lot of times I will see a cheaper Velcro and I push on it and it indents. This one I push, it bounces right back. It is stitched in really nice. And as far as the unit itself, it is basically it looks like they thermally melted the plastic and put this thing together, so you're not going to have to worry about stitching coming undone. So overall, really nice little unit. And another thing I want to point out before I put this on and show you is that if you forget how to do this and you don't have the instructions, it tells you on the bag. So you never have to guess. It tells you how to get it frozen and how that works, and it tells you how to use the microwave and heat this thing up. All right, so now let's see how this actually works. Here's my foot, here's my leg. Take it and place it on with the name facing up. And then you're going to simply wrap this around underneath your foot here, and it's going to go over this because the Velcro has to stick onto the fabric, just like that. That's one. Come around the other back of the leg and here. So you will have one that'll go under the foot. Your heel will actually stick out here just like the palm of my hand. And your toes will be out in the front here, and it's just like that, and now it's on. Now, one thing to keep in mind, guys, is you have an ice pack only on one side when it comes to the sides, but you have an ice pack on top. So you'll be able to ice pack the top, and you'll do a side. Now, you can rotate these to get that ice pack to the other side if you need to do that, if that leg is requiring it on the outside of your ankle. But they're made to be able to work the bigger parts of your ankle on the insides right now. So this one would be on my left. The other one, I'd set it up, it would be on the right, hitting both of those bones. So overall, it's a great system, guys. I think it's easy to keep clean. If it gets dirty, you're just going to use a little soap and water, wash it off, and then you're back in business. So overall, guys, a great little product. And if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 because, well, I think it's going to give you a lot of service. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set of these today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we'll see you guys on the next review.